First of all, thank you so much for investing in one of my beautiful Tempus timepieces. Welcome to an exclusive club of owners with exceptional taste. So I'd advise we open your box on some nice soft carpet to keep your box in good condition and in case you drop it. Have the mouth of your box to the side and slide out the white branded clock box. Then place the white box on a table with the branded side facing upwards and remove the lid. Inside you will see an envelope and black bag which contains soft gloves for careful handling. Remove the first layer of protective foam and put it somewhere close by and level so you can put the clock on this once you've taken it out of the box. Then place your hands in the two pockets at north and south of your clock so the small rotor pocket is on your right hand side. Then remove the other segments of the box to get the rear mounting bracket out and the paper template guide for positioning your timepiece. Take the template and position where you want to mount the clock on the wall so you can mark your fixing holes for the bracket. You will see plug sockets marked on the guide to position your dedicated wall socket so it sits behind your clock and all cables remain out of sight. I also recommend you having a switched spur that feeds the socket so if you ever get a glitch, because it is a microcomputer controlling your clock, it is useful to be able to switch it off and on again without taking the clock off the wall. In the bracket box, there are 4 10mm black spacers which you should mount behind the bracket to space it off the wall a little bit and give you a bit more space behind the clock. Once you have drilled your holes and bracket is mounted and your socket is in position, you are ready to plug the clock in. Straight out of the box you have 15 light colours and patterns, and each time you press this crown it will cycle through each colour mode and pattern. If you rotate the crown it will manually adjust the time forwards or backwards. Now if you want to create your own light patterns and set Tempus to your local time zone, then you need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. This also has the benefit of allowing your Tempus to be updated automatically when we release any important updates to the software. I'll post a link to the web page on screen now, which you enter through your default web browser. Once you've reached the Tempus web page, you need to create a profile on the Tempus server and put in the name of your clock and your information and time zone. Your phone or tablet needs to already be on the local network. Then we can enter the setup mode. That requires you to hold down the rotor or crown for about 8 seconds. The lights will rotate, then start to flash. When it has done a full rotation, release the crown and go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone or tablet and look for Tempus setup. Select this. Then go back to your browser and the Tempus page and it should say waiting to connect. After a few minutes it will ask you to put in the name of your Wi-Fi, which must be exactly as it appears in lower and uppercase, and the password below. Tempus will then turn off completely and jump to the correct local time. If this doesn't happen first go, please redo the process, and if you're having problems, then please get in touch and we'll be happy to assist over Zoom or a video call. Then you can choose your own colours and upload to Tempus and build a library of patterns to upload when you choose. Or you can simply use the lovely default colours by pushing the crown to go back into the normal clock menu. I very much hope you enjoy your new timepiece. With many thanks. Bye.